Hey guys, it's Chris with Be Creative. Today I'm going to show you how to make cardboard bird sculptures. So for this project, you're going to need cardboard, obviously. You're going to need a pencil, scissors, a shish kebab skewer, a round piece of wood. You could also use a styrofoam block if you don't have wood lying around, glue, and a drill for the first part of this activity. You're also going to need paint and a paintbrush, a water cup, and a paper towel to dry your brush off. Alright, let's get started. Mark a hole in the center of your wood piece, and then you're going to drill a hole on that dot. Now you're going to take a shish kebab skewer and you're going to stick it right on in there. And there's your base. Now it's time to draw your shapes for your bird. I'm using a Sharpie marker just so you can see what I'm doing. I'm doing a body and wings, my birdie head, some eyes, and a beak. Now it's time to cut. Once you've glued your bird together, it's time for painting. I like to prime my cardboard first with white primer. It just helps my paint colors look more vivid than painting on the brown cardboard. This part is optional, but like I said, if you do this step, you will not regret it. It will make your colors pop much nicer. Now that my primer has dried, I am going to paint my bird. I'm still going to use white paint because acrylic paint has a little bit of a glossy shimmer to it that the primer does not. So I'm going to paint my lighter colors first, which is my white, and then I'm going to start doing some of my other details. I'm going to add some pink polka dots on my bird's belly. Probably one at the bottom. Yeah. Sometimes when you paint, the paint comes a little bit thinly, so you might have to do 2 layers of paint. I'm going to paint my bird's head this lime green that I've mixed with a little bit of green to a lot of yellow to make this shade of green. Alright, I'm going to make my body teal. I'm thinking about doing some stripes for my bird wings. Speaking of birds, can you hear these birds in the background? That's what I get for making art outside. These birds are in full force today. Because my pink is still wet, I'm trying to be very careful when I go around my polka dots, just so I don't mix the colors. You can wait for them to dry and do another part of your bird if you want to. Alright. Wash, dry, stripes. I'm going to do my yellow first because if I do the background of my wing and then do my yellow on top, then it could smudge or the yellow won't look as vibrant. Go in and finish my wings. I'm going to make it green. Right. Time for the beak. I didn't see a little teeny drop of green on my beak, but that's okay. I can cover it up with my orange. Fix up some of these pink polka dots a little bit. Make some gray eyelashes. Outline some blue eyes. Swirl in a little bit of white just to give it a little bit of character. Another layer of yellow just to help clean up some lines and edges. Do another layer of the lime green on my face because you can still see my brush strokes and some of the white prime underneath. So I'm just going to thicken that up. You want to let this dry. Alright, here is my finished bird. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so you can do more fun things with me. Be creative. Thank you.